Hey guys, Matt, IronTrap Garage, and today we are working on the 39 Forgotten Hot Rod projects. So the last video you saw where we worked on splitting apart the frame from all the suspension parts, got the running boards off, and in between that video and now I basically got all the other hardware that was stuck on the frame all cut off, knocked out, got the frame all basically down as far as we're going to go, and we are ready to start stripping it to hopefully get it painted here soon. So today we're going to show you is just a few of the tools and the steps I take when I'm stripping a frame down where I may not want to blast it. Now this project is definitely like a driver, low budget project, so I'm not taking it to the media blaster and spending a bunch of money. I'm going to use the tools that I have laying around, strip it down really fast so that we can then coat it in some rust encapsulator and chassis black. So it's like 90 degrees outside, so we're going to be sweating a little bit today, but we need to get it done, and let's get started. Snake pose. Alright, so we got the frame all stripped down. It took a little while. I'm really glad that I just bought that power washer this past weekend, because it made my life a lot easier by being able to basically blast all the grime, all the rust that was trapped in between the layers and all that stuff, and get that all out. And it also helped me degrease the frame really quickly, which was really nice. So definitely some good money spent getting myself a gas-powered pressure washer. So now that we got everything stripped down, I'm basically ready to start preparing for coating it so we can rust proof it. So I'm going to be using Eastwood Rust Encapsulator Plus, and then I'm going to be using Eastwood's Ceramic Chassis Black. And basically we're just going with like a satin finish on this car, so we're not going to do anything that's really shiny, just keep it nice and subdued and kind of factory-like. So the next video, that's what we're going to work on, but it's really exciting that the project is getting kind of going in the direction of painting stuff, which is really nice. So here soon we're going to hopefully have a roller once we strip the rest of the suspension stuff. That's all I have for this one. I appreciate you guys following along as always. We do videos on Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. If you haven't, definitely subscribe and drop us a comment down below. What do you think of the progress on the 39 Forgotten Hot Rod? Thanks guys, catch you later.